Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you my Blogsgiving week 1, how I prepare my home. I'm going to share with you my planner really quick for Thanksgiving and how I undecorate from fall and Halloween. And I'm doing a mini clean with me and also showing my Thanksgiving home decor tour 2018 and also how I organize all of my decorations. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep watching. So after Halloween, deco is going out. I'm going to take some of the fall stuff out and just decorate for Thanksgiving. I'm also going to take most of the pumpkins. I don't know which ones. I think I'm going to leave the more neutral colored ones out because I know in November here everything color starts to go, it gets really sparse, so it'll be more muted and neutral hopefully. I still need to change those, and then here's our current situation. I have not been feeling well today. I've had this really bad sinus headache for 2 days. So I needed some motivation, and I was watching Crystal Tara, her video, and it really got me motivated. My head feels somewhat better. I got my Thanksgiving planner book out. Alright, so here's my Thanksgiving planner that I have. I've had this for many years, and I don't even remember where I got this from, but I'm sure if you look up Thanksgiving planner printable, you'll find probably something cuter than this, but I still think this is cute. So inside of it, I have my list that I'm going to do a rough draft on. I also have in here my Halloween 2018 things we bought, home decor for next year, and then things that we'll need next year. So I like to keep that in here so I can, as I'm planning for Thanksgiving, sometimes I think about that. So anyways, this is our just like I said, a rough draft list, and so I'm gonna print out a new printable or maybe use something old, I don't know, but I like to plan for this ahead of time so when I'm shopping and stuff I can look for the sales on these things. I also have my study that I do every week before Thanksgiving. If you guys are interested in this, let me know. I can send you a copy, scan you a copy. So I need to make copies of this. And then here's from years past, grocery lists. I like to keep them in here just to see what I've done. And here's all of last year's and the year before. I have my studies that I've done. Just a few proclamation of Thanksgiving. Just some fun stuff about Thanksgiving. And then all my recipes, which I'm hopefully going to declutter. Then any printables I might have to put up or use, I'll keep here. I also have Thanksgiving cards that I did not pass out last year, but I bought them. So I need to, this is my priority that I want to have right here. I also have a few things that I put in cards one year and an invitation that I thought was so cute that we got from our friends. I just like to keep memorable things in here. I also received my Costco holiday savings. I think this is just their coupon book. It's not the Black Friday one, but they do have really good sales in here that I like to keep on hand so I can think about Christmas shopping. Thanksgiving is usually when I start making my Christmas wish list for my kids. I have them do that, which I need to print out something. And I'll go more into depth with this. If you guys are interested in that, leave me a comment below and I will. So that's basically what's in my planner right now. Just a really quick glimpse at it. Like I said, if you're interested, I can go into depth with it. I know I did one last year and it was really cringeworthy. So I may do an updated one for maybe next week's Vlogsgiving. We will see, which I'm hopefully going to have up this Friday, 8th or 9th. I'll put it right here. So hopefully I will be uploading every Friday so you guys can see that. But this is week 1 and I'm a little late on it. So anyways, that's it for this planner. And be sure to stick to the end. I am doing my Thanksgiving 2018 home decor tour, and that'll be in the end after my undecorate with me. You'll see that after that. This is just the aftermath from Halloween and fall, and it should be looking somewhat better. I only put one Thanksgiving decoration up. This I got from Walmart. It was a set, the two tea towels for $3.50. I still need to cook those, and yeah, so I'll be switching that out. I might be switching that out or adding, I don't know yet. Real life here. Oh no, the dog, he got out of his cage. Right, so it's time to fall and Halloween and decorate with me. This is my fall bucket. I do have a Halloween somewhere. I think that's Halloween. This is my Thanksgiving one. So let's see what's in here. Lots of stuff, so I'm gonna go through this. All right, here's everything. I got that at Michael's or Joann's, I can't remember, during the clearance sale. Cornucopias, a lot of signs. That's my only wreath. This says I got at Target last year on clearance. Gift thanks, so cute. Some signs. This I got at Walmart last year for like $1, I think, or $2. Might do something with that this year. Then I saved all the kids like artwork and stuff. Sometimes I display it, we'll see. And extra leaves and stuff. So here's the current situation. We're cleaning too.